In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export LinkedIn Post Analytics. We'll go through the process from your LinkedIn profile all the way to downloading your content data. This is useful if you want to review post performance, track engagement over time, or share analytics with your team in a more organized format. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to your profile page. This is the main starting point because your profile gives you access to the creator and content performance areas where LinkedIn stores post analytics. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one profile. Once you're on your profile, scroll down until you find the analytics section. Depending on your screen size or whether you're using a desktop browser, this section may appear a little farther down the page, so take a moment to look carefully. This area is where LinkedIn gives you a quick snapshot of your performance and visibility. When you locate the analytics section, click on Show All. This opens a more complete view so you can move beyond the summary and access the detailed data connected to your content. If you don't immediately see the option, just make sure you're in the right section and not still at the top of your profile. From there, click on Content Analytics. This takes you to the area specifically focused on how your posts are performing. Here, LinkedIn gathers metrics tied to your published content, making it the right place to export post-related information rather than broader account activity. Once the Content Analytics page opens, look for the Export button and click it. This is the option that starts the download process. Exporting is helpful because it lets you work with your analytics outside LinkedIn, which can make reporting, filtering, and reviewing trends much easier. After clicking Export, a confirmation prompt will appear. Click on Confirm to finalize the export. At that point, LinkedIn will begin preparing your analytics file for download. Depending on your connection and LinkedIn's processing speed, it may take a few moments for the file to be ready. And that's it. You've successfully exported your LinkedIn Post Analytics. After downloading the file, you can open it and review your post performance in more detail. If you're doing regular reporting, it can be helpful to export this data consistently so you can compare results over time and identify which types of content perform best.